So these are 215s, right? American Race. Which ones are they?
XFL.
So what app is this? American Race also?
Yeah, it's the VFL 500.1, pretty much a 5K.
5K.
And then the doors have Godfather 3 or Godfather 6.5s on that 3K.
Okay.
We had a Rogge alternator, but it kind of messed up on us, so we had to switch it out. Literally, the day we came, it trashed on us about 200 miles into it, so we went back home, swapped it out.
Right.
Text. Last night I left Tiki's on her neck. Wait, you just dissed me, I'm perplexed. Insult me in a line, compliment me on the next. Damn, I'm really sorry you want me to have a heart attack. Was watching 8 Mile, I'm on auto track. Realized I forgot to call you back. Here's that autograph for your daughter. I wrote it on the starter cap. Stand, son, listen, man, dad isn't mad. What? How you gonna name yourself after a damn gun and have a man gun? Giants will eyes open undeniable, supplying smoke at the firestone. See, you got me in a scope, but you raised me. I say we'll call it in a scope, it's crazy. Your reply got the crowd yelling moves. So before you die, let's see who can count. Hey, who with your corny lines? Let me roll Al Kelly, ooh, but I'm 45 and I'm still out telling you. By 29, I had 3 albums that it blew. Now let's talk about something I don't really do. Going someone's daughter's mouth, stealing food. But you're a fucking molehill. Now I make a mountain out of you. Woo! Hold chill, acting like you put the chrome barrel to my bone marrow. Gonna beat you ain't a blowing arrow. Say you run up on me like a phone bill. Spraying lead, playing dead, that's overtime. Still, are you eating cereal or oatmeal? What the fuck's in the bowl, milk? Wheaties or Cheerios? Cause I'm taking a shit in them, Kelly. I need reading materials. Dictionary. Yo, Slim, your last 4 albums suck. Go back to recovery. Oh shoot, that was 3 albums ago. What do you know? Oops. Know your facts before you come at me, little goof. Luxury, oh, you broke bitch, yeah. I had enough money in O2 to burn it in front of you, ho. Yo,
Let me know you whack me.
Real clean.
It's not bad.
Yeah, real clean
It's
sound.
like it's her first audio build.
Really?
Yeah, and she literally helped out with a lot of it.
Yeah.
You know.
Where is she? She didn't come?
Yeah, she's over here. She's right there actually. Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah, that's her.
That's
too.
crazy.
Yep, that's her.
Could have got on camera while she doing all that.
She's a big kid.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, it's not bad.
Got one more?
Yeah, this one's pretty good.
Astro, no. What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that a mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. I just want you know.
So she won 415, so I want to wall it up.
Yep. She was already talking to the president, and he was like, "All right, let's do it." So we're gonna do 415s on a 12K.
Wow.
We're gonna wire it in the dirt, and now she's gonna have to go lithium. I just told her, I'm like, well, if you do that, you're gonna have to go lithium,
Right.
and let's do a second alternator. She was like, oh yeah, I want a second alternator too. I'm like, all right, whatever, lady.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So what are you gonna do? What about the subs? Gonna use the same subs or get 4 new?
Not sure yet. We might get 4 new ones. It depends on who can get them installed
Right, who can
quick
get them
enough,
installed,
because you
right.
know how equipment is right now.
Right. All right, guys. Y'all check them out.